Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly delicious, quick and easy recipes. We have so many exciting dishes and drinks lined up just for you. Your support is very much appreciated. Every like, comment, and share helps us bring more tasty content your way. Today I have something special for you. A quick and easy recipe for a chocolate martini that'll make you the star of any gathering. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to treat yourself, this drink is perfect. Ready? Let's dive in. This recipe is so simple, you'll be amazed at how quickly it comes together. First things first, here's what you'll need. Make sure you have all your ingredients ready before you start. 2 ounces of vodka. This will be the base of our martini, giving it that classic kick. 1 ounce of chocolate liqueur. This is where the rich, chocolatey goodness comes in. 1 ounce of Irish cream liqueur. It adds a smooth, creamy texture that balances the flavors perfectly. 1 ounce of half and half. This will make our martini extra creamy and delicious. A handful of ice cubes. These will help chill our drink and make it refreshing. And some chocolate syrup for that extra touch. This will add a beautiful garnish and a bit more chocolate flavor. All right, let's get started. This is the fun part. Grab your cocktail shaker and toss in a handful of ice cubes. Make sure your shaker is nice and cold. Next, pour in 2 ounces of vodka. This will give our martini a strong base. I'm using a good quality vodka, but you can use your favorite brand. The better the vodka, the smoother the drink. Now add 1 ounce of chocolate liqueur. This is where the magic happens. It's going to give our martini that rich chocolatey flavor. This is the key ingredient that makes our martini taste like a decadent dessert. Follow it up with 1 ounce of Irish cream liqueur. This adds a creamy, dreamy depth to the martini. This ingredient is what makes our martini so smooth and luxurious. Then, pour in 1 ounce of half and half. This makes the martini smooth and creamy without being too heavy. This ingredient helps to balance the flavors and gives the drink a nice, velvety texture. All right, let's give it a good shake. Make sure everything is well combined and chilled. Shake until everything is well combined and chilled. You want the drink to be nice and cold. That's around 15-20 seconds. You'll know it's ready when the shaker feels icy cold. Now grab a martini glass and drizzle some chocolate syrup inside. This step is totally optional, but it makes the drink look so fancy and delicious. This little touch adds a beautiful presentation and a bit more chocolate flavor. Finally, strain the mixture from the shaker into your prepared martini glass. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Look at that, it's gorgeous. The perfect blend of creamy and chocolatey goodness. And there you have it, your delicious chocolate martini in just 3 minutes. Perfect for a cozy night in or for impressing your guests. Perfect for a cozy night in or for impressing your guests. This drink is sure to be a hit at any occasion. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, cheers. Enjoy your delicious chocolate martini and happy mixing.